Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to change the mute duration for a specific word on the X app, so you can take control of what you see in your feed. Whether you muted something temporarily or you want to make that mute last longer, updating the duration is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you originally muted the word. Next, tap on your profile icon. You'll usually find it in the top left or top right corner of the screen, depending on your device. This will open your account menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can fine-tune your account preferences and control your privacy tools. Inside, tap on Privacy and Safety. This is where you'll find all options related to managing what you see and who can interact with you. Now, choose Muted and Block. This page gives you access to all your muted accounts and muted words. Tap on Muted Words. Here, you'll see the full list of words, phrases, usernames, or hashtags you've muted in the past. Find and tap the specific word you want to edit. This will open the details of your mute settings for that word. Then, tap Change Mute Time. You'll be given options to adjust how long the word stays muted. Choices can include 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or forever, depending on your preference. Select the one that suits your needs best. Once you've chosen, your settings will automatically update, meaning the new mute duration takes effect right away. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've successfully changed how long a word stays out of your feed on X. This is a great way to customize your online experience, filter out distractions, or take a break from certain topics without making permanent changes. If you found this guide helpful, consider adjusting your mute settings regularly to keep your timeline feeling fresh and relevant for you.